Hi, I'm Crystal Greer, Chief Financial Officer here at Grizzly Industrial. With tax time just around the corner, now is the time to start thinking about how your business can take advantage of the Section 179 deduction. Section 179 has made a big difference for many companies and the economy in general by allowing businesses to use this special tax incentive to purchase equipment now instead of waiting. There are great resources available online at irs.gov and section179.org. And of course, you'll want to talk with your tax advisor to find out what's best for your business. But keep in mind, in order to use your 2021 Section 179 allowance, machines must be ordered and received by the December 31st, 2021 deadline. Grizzly has many of the machines you need in stock and ready to ship today. Shop grizzly.com for qualifying machines at great prices with your Section 179 deduction.